Hey y'all, so today we're going to be opening up my glam bag for May. First of all, let's get into the bag. Gorgeous. I love this. And you know what's so awesome about this? I actually got for Mother's Day a dress with this same kind of pattern on it. So y'all, I'm wearing this as a clutch, okay? Whenever I put that dress on, I'm gonna wear this clutch with it. And I like the material. And you know, I love a good tassel moment, okay? Now the products on the inside of this, not quite sure if I'm gonna be happy or just So the first thing that I'm pulling out is actually something I've tried before. I had the full size. I believe I got it in like a FabFitFun. And this is the Kors Pure Greek Olive Shower Gel. And this is what she looks like. It wasn't anything to write home about, but this will be good for travel, right? So if I need to get on an airplane somewhere and I'm only going for a few days, I can pack something like this to go. The next product is by Marc Anthony, and it is Strictly Curls Define Hold Flex Gel. Okay. So I guess this is something I can use for my twist outs. I mean, it's okay. I didn't want to get any hair care products. And you know, they removed on Ipsy, they removed the option to say, hey, give me only makeup, or hey, give me a surprise, or only skincare. They completely removed that option because I was going to update to say, give me only makeup. It has a nice little safety seal. Ain't nobody been in my stuff. You know, next time I have a twist out, I'll give her a try and I'll let you know if she's that girl or not. But another product, I could live without this. So the next thing is super itty bitty, and this is a vitamin C eye cream with peptides to reduce dark circles and puffiness. And this is by This is by Sure Thing. And it's super itty bitty and adorable. I think it's cute. Let's see if there's a safety seal. Okay, are we sealed for safety? No, we're not sealed for safety. So somebody could have been in this and I would have no idea. I'm gonna, give the benefit of the doubt. I haven't had any issues thus far, and willing we won't have any in the future. I have so many eye creams and serums and stuff, it's ridiculous. You would think I had the biggest bags under my eyes, how much Ipsy sends me for my eyes. The next thing is by Benefit, and is the 24-hour brow setter. And this is what she's looking like. I think this is actually full size. I don't use stuff like this, okay? This is what she looks like. I never use anything for my eyebrows like that. I always just kind of, fill them in. But you never know. Like, maybe I would like that eyebrow look that they've been doing and now they don't do anymore. Maybe I would like that. But I do think the packaging is cute, okay? Very iconic. Let me see what this looks like, because I am gonna try using it. Ooh, smells kind of alcohol-y. This is what the applicator is looking like, and I'm guessing you just kind of shoot. I will try her and see if this is a new jam for me. I highly doubt it because I barely have eyebrows. Like, what are we setting here? I have to draw my eyebrows on for me to have something worth setting. I do have some different products that I can put on my eyebrows to see if I can maybe grow a few more hairs. Stuff like that, I have to wait until I'm done breastfeeding to get into it. And then the last thing that I have in my bag, outside of the little card, is by Kay Voss, and it is a Lip Luxe luxurious lipstick in the color Sugar Hill. And this is what the outer packaging is looking like. One makeup item out of all the items I could have gotten, little disappointed, I'm not gonna lie. And I'm gonna be honest, I told Ipsy, when I reviewed my bag, I told them I didn't like this bag. Okay, this bag, even though the design was beautiful, the products on the inside were not doing it for me. This is the Lippy. It's a full-size lipstick, at least it looks like it. Maybe this is technically travel size. And this is what the color is giving. I think it's pretty. I will give this a try. Okay, I'm putting it in my pile of makeup that I still need to try out. And we'll see if she's cute. I mean, it's just the average color. They don't really put anything super interesting in these bags anymore, or maybe they never did. Maybe I was just excited about the subscription craze girlies, but there really isn't anything super interesting in these Ipsy bags these days. If I want something super interesting, I'd have to sign up for Ice Cream Beauty Bag. It's them, and then also Allure. Allure is really good, which I did resub for Allure. Okay, so that video will come whenever the products come, okay, whenever they ship them to me. The bag is the showstopper, okay? I could have done without the rest of these products, but the bag itself, super freaking cute. Yeah, like I said, not impressed. Hopefully next month will be much better. I know I already made my choices. Well, not choices, there's one singular choice. I already made my choice for my bag. I chose the primer for your eyelashes, the MAC primer. I've never used that before, and I want to see if it does something extra for the eyelashes, especially since I haven't been wearing any falsies. Hopefully the rest of the products that they choose for me are good. You know, the only thing I'm maybe excited about is this lipstick, but I'm pretty sure I have a shade very similar to this. If you like this content, you already know what to do. Like, share, comment, and definitely subscribe so that you can become a Faye. Also, I have a Discord server, so if you want to make any suggestions for videos, go ahead and join using the link down below, and I will hear what you have to say. You know, maybe you might get a little shout out, okay? If you give me some ideas, I will surely shout you out, unless you want to be incognito, okay? If you incognito, I will respect your anonymousness. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see y'all with the next one. Deuces.